Oh, I'm so sorry. For some weeks now I've been unable to produce tutorials for you guys. So sorry, I have some certain circumstances that I'm sorry. So guys, if you love comedy, I actually do comedy videos. I have a link on the description box. I'm going to leave a oh sorry I'm going to leave a link on the description box about my comedy channel, Mokobe Comedy. Guys, I produce amazing skits. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to download a video from YouTube. If you're new to this channel, or if you're my returning viewer, thank you guys for coming back. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you need to go to your mobile phone. You click on what? YouTube. Once you're there, you simply need to choose the video you want to download. So I'll go to my YouTube channel and I'll click on what? Any of my videos. After that, I'll simply scroll down beside the create icon. You click on what? Download. So guys, our video is actually downloading. So once download is complete, you can simply click on what? On the home page. That is, after that you click on what? Library. Once you're there, you simply click on what? Download. So guys, this is a video we are just downloading. So I'm going to click it. That's open. So guys, you can now watch this video anytime you want. So guys, if you want to download your YouTube video from YouTube to your gallery, you simply need to use a third-party app, but YouTube does not advise people to use third-party app on their platform. That's it. So if you see this video, helpful to you, please you share it and leave your comments on the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.